No, them justly, you see them block my page again. Him have a blood clot. I need to get it cut out. Y'all are twang to blood clot. Y'all are twang to all you want the sympathy. And then when them hear Roger chip in with a look of accident, you no want to kill me? Go kill Abel where I need to get it cut out. Him will not go kill.
Yo, Roger, you have to go stop saying that.
You never got blood clot England yet. Judge why big up your badness, madam. You never got England yet, and the whole England know your bottom. And then it's not a toilet you sit down pan. Hey, anyone who want to hate me, you know. Me don't really care, you know. Controller boss, because me don't really not care. Anybody want to hate me. A batty business you deal with, and then you want to put batty business for somebody else. Talk to me. Talk to me. When me come, you tell the people that you're not jeopardizing the platform, call me a batty man. Able. No boy, not my bottom. No woman, not my bottom, pan no phone. None. And you shame like a blood clot dog, you can't even rest the life for 30 seconds. Yeah, when you're not there live, you have to in a people box. I've never seen you doing these stuff. Make it make sense.
You don't even go past some people live, but come talk about standard.
Judge why I see them try usher you know, because them want your side. Them don't want you speak truth. I mean now go tell you no say if me did a chat fucker for pick up for me, I wouldn't say that. But you don't know what me I say, I no lie.
People may go jump in because you know fucker now wine and me not this with the 2.2K over here so.
The first thing you tell the woman
this now work.
Tell the woman say me again because why do that make sure the woman like me or not.
My supporters them make sure.
Come on man, I don't do better than this. Else me I go and me can't take this.
Big up the whole IG them, you know. Make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel. 3 new videos for you, yeah.
We need 14K my side.
3 new videos up on YouTube. When you click the link from my bio in the page on the page right now. When I see the YouTube, when you just jump on the YouTube channel, subscribe to the channel, and just check out the new content them shot. Follow the page, follow my page. No.
I want my mother say.
Follow the page, no.
Them just banana me again, and this is the back up.
Best up everybody who support the channel for real, bro.
Baby, I've been suffering from hemorrhoids. I was born with it. It's like pile, I don't know if you know it, and it's bothering me. I'm feeling so uncomfortable. I got to get it cut out, you know?
Blinga, me tell you, laugh with me, you know.
Laugh with you, you know. Me not laugh with you, my love. Listen to me. You see at this point, this motherfucker need to take accountability for his action, and that's it.
You know, say you blood clot Jada sing boy. Your body whole name London dead. The killer said him ask, hey, I'm supposed to finish the blood clot.
Something been bothering me. I was born with it. I got to get it cut out.
This Africa be an intro that me. Somebody I gonna use this as an intro.
No
man, they have to do that in our video.
You know what the most hurtfulest thing? He will make skit off of everybody. As something happen across the world, he make a skit. And when everybody a blood clot gimmicks him, everybody went aside with him cuss them. And come talk about what he do for them.
Yeah, I have an idea.
I'm hearing some serious allegations. Another pile right at the edge. Catch you off it in Roger gifters. They must say a long time you are running that but able. TikTok want to know where that pile they come from.
Everybody went outside with him. Or say what he must say. You notice? Him now come for me. Him now come to that lady Louise. Him want look bad for throw under the bus.
But say the boy now address, bring him now address Roger. I just the waste people them like my toilet them address me. Him now address me. I can't look for my toilet them love. Cause I feel shit them no yam so sure.
They see a cute man sing his song.
Yeah.
And I hey, pussy lift up from boya. All big pussy dirty Nurse Brown. Stinking Nurse Brown I come ask me. And then him come and chat to me like, hey boy, I go suck all your mother to and go yam able pile. But if me regret posting, regret your mother Nurse Brown. And I tell Abel boss, Nurse Brown go sue RT Diddy. No, I'm not afraid over here. Cause who hate me, done hate me already, and it won't change. On a done hate me, so go suck on no matter.
Alright, my side, push up the score. Come on. We need 14K now. Me not foolishness. 14K, let's go.
We are shooting now, you know. See speed and at times 2.
Yeah, man.
All of my supporters them activate. The whole of my YouTube supporters them activate.
No, bully. I able karma this for everything when him do to everybody on TikTok. Everybody blessing when him try for stop. Everybody go up on them table when him try. Able to go like a
you go over Dima page and drop a rose. You go over Dima page to
everybody blessing when him try stop. At 10-4 him a get it. And that happen to him.
My side,
sleep. When you want to stop people blessing, it's gonna become a day when God go
all of my supporters them live up. CW, I could use it now, my supporters.
God go shut you down.
All of my YouTube supporters them. Use it.
2 times gifting my side. Let's go now.
Lady Louise, big up yourself and make none of them make you feel like a pussy.
She's not a pussy and she's no yamen. She's not wrong. Louise was just helping out her situation.
Oh man, Louise good.
Come on, man. Push up the score.
When him send him back to all, go get the woman are gonna get traumatized and I want to help him.
You never hear when me ask Louise the question. Say, so Louise, how did you feel when you got that body picture? Louise laugh, so chill.
How was she say?
Louise, have to go down. Louise laugh, Roger. Mr. One Piece of laughing.
Hold on,
I see why the boy love Pampers so. Me see why him love Pampers so. Cause the boy Blinga, man.
Louise, this supposed to be uncomfortable, you know. Louise supposed to have a phone and get the picture and say, what is loud? Yo, Louise supposed to
weekly number 98 my gone back.
Louise, tell the truth, you never traumatized.
Louise in shock.
Blood clot and she not work at JPS.
I feel like say them can pressure the woman and the whole of them are come down on the woman. First of all, the woman have her blood clot money. So if you don't feel like say the woman broke and mash up, no. The woman never yet once come and complain about no money. She no complain about none of that. The woman complain about the fact where he might lie to her and trick her. And I send him batty hole for blood clot sympathy, for extra sterling. It's extra sterling him want. Sterling.
Louise, me I try shoot a movie, you know.
They're gonna show no all the boys. They're gonna show no something. Yo, when you know say before everything bust out blingers, me send Abel in body picture you know, and say Abel this you gone to. I saw your blood clot gone to the dogs, all your bottom you send for sympathy.
When you send the body picture?
Yeah, no man, when I send him the body, me pull it up.
Why Dima jot up something quick and fast? How that?
The Salina and Irish and mayonnaise.
Dima, how you so pretty? How you glow so? Me just see a different.
You don't know how she fix up for today.
Maybe somebody partner like me chop.
Yes.
Hear him now. When me send him the body picture and say, and that you're going to hear him. Listen, so where is the conversation with me sending my ass for gifts? Him a dead with laughing, you know. Things say me never have the voice note or everything. Wanna jump your fuck. Ask her for the conversation. Me say, yes, Abel, I got the voice note. See me? And I laugh. Me say, yes, Abel, I got the voice note right here, so. See there? Him send B a message and delete them. Cause me did a deny it, you know, at first, you know. But when me send the voice, say me have the voice note, him delete the whole I message them.
That boy is the me. Boy is a manipulator.
Why him deleting message them?
My side push up his score. Me can't do this for no. One over here, no move. One over Roger people. All on the left from over here. Can I not tap my screen? What I wanna do? Coins out. Everybody tap the screen. We need 14
and then you hear the pussy to me now. Don't make because of money. Make you do this. Me say, Abel, me not frightened for money. Or stoop for not no. I send your ass to people to get sympathy for gifts.
Okay, guys, I see the topic.
I'm send him the ass in the one view. And then him send me that long paragraph here. Me bigger than this foolishness and setup. You chat people and people have proof as well, my nigga. People have proof, they don't know post it. Since me chat people and people have proof, say me chat people. Post it. Because anybody me chat, me can't tell us say me chat them.
My side, we need 18 roses.
Watch ya. That's showing how Abel nervous. Watch ya. Abel just send me a message. Back a message.
18 roses.
Nervous. Lady Louise, none of them make you feel less of a person. None of them.
18 roses, my side.
None of them make you feel less of a person. Cause one heap of them come over here, come look man too.
Lady Louise over you now?
Yeah.
Lady Louise, listen to me. Abel did this to a lady named Beauty Bar and fuck up the whole her meds, Lady Louise. She named Beauty Bar. Abel fucked the lady and dumped her, made she believe that they were together or was gonna be together and everything.
Yeah, but I have a picture with him and Catwoman and suck out tongue. The blood
yes,
clot.
Lady Louise, he's
the
been
person who show me the video. Remember, me see the picture, the picture, me I try get the picture. That's why I'm take Catwoman from Swiss Lee. Because him go seduce Catwoman. The picture with him and Catwoman and suck out tongue. The person show me it and know them no one blood clot send me. So
but
them no want to send me.
Him and Swiss Lee didn't have a private war off the media. Me did come say that. Me did come talk that. But you don't look for me like me an idiot.
And that's why I'm going to text blood clot Lady Louise and talk about this that you're doing, it could never be Bluesberry. You must have did a yam Bluesberry pussy. Remember, I know you make Bluesberry. Watch ya. I know she alone, you know. I make Bluesberry stop shoot for me too, you know. I make Bluesberry stop shoot for me too.
Why is a lot of people he make stop shoot for you, mighty God?
I make Bluesberry stop shoot for me too. A Catwoman and him did there in Mexico. I know I see the picture with him and Catwoman and suck out of Mexico.
Roger, me tired. Me say, alright.
I man Catwoman did there in Mexico if you never know. I man I see the picture with them and suck out tongue. And the blood clot bumbo will no want send me.
Who no want send you?
Me go ball out him name if him not send me.
Who
Me
no
a wait for the crew. Me a give him look time. Cause any him not send me, me a come ball out him name too.
Guys, don't stop telling me about people.
Time have to come show it up.
Don't type that.
Cattleman, I'm sorry if you don't want your name in the mess, but it have to come in night. It's done a mess.
But Cattleman need to come out and speak so people can stop look down on Louis.
Yeah, Cattleman is Aunty.
Yeah, Aunty is Swiss shooter.
Yeah, Cattleman is Aunty and she unable to do Mexico.
But as she able and Swiss did a war over privately, like them in an argument over privately. I think that's Swiss gift her.
Sometimes it's on the go like some I know. I know everything, you know. But just now go hard. Hey, if that pussy and not give me the blood clot picture with Cattleman and able to suck out the tongue, me I go bring him down to and ball out him name. So give me it from now before me call out your name.
John Clark, MVP.
Abel, this is what Abel does. Moral of the story, this is what him do. Go round, seduce the woman them for shoot fame. Name out them money and when him think them not have no more, him toss them on and go to him next victim. That is what him do. It's a series of people. It's a whole sequence. More than one woman. More than one people when him do the same. Hey, girl, man, also man an idiot, you know. Him could all suck on a pussy and die quiet, you know. Him is a devil, Lady Louise. Cattleman, I'm so sorry if you never want a name in the mess. I already brought it in it, Auntie. Because really and truly, me not care right now. Are you and him did there Mexico? I suck out tongue. I see it on the picture. Oh, you and him there Mexico, I suck out tongue. And all of this you see and you know want come talk. Eh? Eh?